Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I'd like to introduce you to one of the new lawn tractors in the Cobra range that's going to be available from 2025. This is the LT112HR2L, which has got a V-twin Lonsin engine and a hydrostatic drive system. It's an amazing piece of kit, so let's have a close look at some of its features. So let's start with the engine underneath the bonnet here. As you can see, we've got this really powerful V-twin Lonsin engine, 586 cc, plenty of power for cutting your lawns. And one of the great things about this new model is it's not only longer, but it's much stronger in construction, including this cast iron axle here, which makes it really robust. So great if you've got uneven ground. And as we work our way around the mower here, we can see we've got this fantastic premium seat. It's adjustable and really comfortable to ride on. And then we've got the height adjuster for the cutting deck. At this side we've got 7 different adjustments here. The lowest one is 25mm, so if you want that really neat finish on the lawn, that is ideal, but we can raise it up to 85mm and everything in between. And the grass is collected in this, and this grass collection box here holds 320 litres of grass, so really big. And one of the great things about the Cobra mowers is they've got the power to really blow the grass back and collect it, so it's a great collection system and it's really easy to empty. You don't have to leave the seat, you simply pull up the lever, back up to your compost heap and just tip it out and drive forward. So absolutely amazing piece of kit there. We can also wash the deck. We've got a plug there to put the hose on to get rid of that excess grass that's built up, and of course it's hydrostatic, so no gears, it's simply this one to go forward, this one to go back. It really is a dream to use. So what I'm going to do is jump on it and have a little bit of a test drive. So as you can see, it makes a really good job, not only of cutting the grass, but it collects the leaves as well, so perfect to use around the garden in the autumn. When the bag is full, it gives a high-pitched beeping sound, which tells you it's time to go over there and empty it on the compost heap. It's also very light on the steering and very manoeuvrable, so ideal for going around the bases of trees. So all in all, this is a great lawn tractor for mowing large lawns like this. For more information on the Cobra range, go to cobragarden.co.uk.